It is absolutely freezing in Essex, so I need a hearty, warming dish. I've got some sausages in my freezer that I want to use up, and therefore I came up with this idea. So we're going out tonight and I need a dinner that everyone can kind of grab from the main pot in the Ninja. So we're going to make a slow cooker recipe. If you want to make this as a dump bag, put it in your freezer and then get it out, you can also do that. So it is quite a versatile recipe. And we're making this so that it is under 500 calories. Now, of course, you don't have to do that. You can use some full fat sausages, some really tasty, juicy ones if you want to. And you could use some sweet chili and pork sausages for this recipe to add that extra sweet chili flavour to the actual dish. But we are going to be using a little bit of sweet chili sauce in this, which is really, really nice. We're using sweet potato. We've got some red onion in there, and we've also got some carrots. We've got some vegetables. I'm going to serve mine with a little bit of broccoli on the side just because that's what I fancy. But it is a full meal as it is. You don't have to add anything on the side if you don't want to. So under 500 calories. We're going to cook it on high for 6 hours so that it is lovely and tender, because we've got that hard veg in there. We've got that sweet potato and also the carrot that needs that a bit longer. It may be cooked a little bit quicker, so you know, you can check it after say 5 hours and see how you're doing. If you want to put it on low, then I would go obviously for a bit longer, sort of 6 to 8 hours, but you can check it. You're going to know when it's cooked. But yeah, you could leave it all day if you want to go out to work, make this in the morning and then just leave it on low. There is the option to do that. But if you just want to kind of shove it together at lunchtime and have it for dinner in the evening, then it is possible to cook it on high as well. So a few options there for you. I'm sure you're going to love it. Don't forget to hit the like button for me. And if you'd like the printable recipe, that is available over on my website along with my cookbooks. It's www.susannahskitchen.uk. And thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It really does help my channel to grow so much and for me to bring you more Ninja Foodi recipes like this one. So let's go and grab our ingredients and let's get into today's recipe. Let's start on sear and saute. Little bit of spray oil, not too much in the bottom. And let's get our onion in. So I've got red onion, which I've just sliced up, and we want to start just softening that down ever so slightly. Then we're going to brown our sausages. Now, to keep the calories down in this recipe, you're going to want to opt for a low-fat sausage. If you're not making this under 500 calories, just like the look of it, and you just want to make it, then maybe use a sweet chili sausage. So you want 8 sausages to go into this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sausages. And you want to brown those off. Now, the calories that I've worked out, I've based them on a sausage called Skinny Pig, which you can get in Tesco's. There are alternatives. I think Tesco's probably do like a low fat option. I know that Sainsbury's definitely do a lower fat sausage as well. So you use whichever ones that you wish to. But yeah, it gives you an idea of what I've based the calories on. I think the Skinny Pig sausages are something like around 100 calories each sausage. You can even swap this out for chicken sausages if you wanted to as well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of thyme in, and then we're going to add some seasonings, some salt and some black pepper. And we just want to colour these sausages ever so slightly. Obviously, you can skip this step if you don't want to do it. I do find, though, by having the Ninja pot nice and warm, it makes sure that it starts slow cooking pretty quickly. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato puree and a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. So like I said, if you're not calorie counting, or you can find some lower fat sweet chili sausages, then this flavouring is going to work really well together. In with my tin of chopped tomatoes. Give all of that a stir through. So as you can see, I only lightly browned my sausages. If you want to brown yours more, you can. It's only about how they look. So in that goes Then I have got, so there's 8 sausages. We've got 300 grams of chopped up and peeled carrots and 3 sweet potatoes here as well. So all of that in. And then let's top that up with beef stock. Doesn't have to be beef stock. I just fancied that sort of more intense flavour rather than the chicken or a vegetable, but you use what you've got. That was 250 mils that I've added in. And this is looking really, really good. So it's a really simple slow cooker dish, this. If you want to make this as a dump bag, then you could most definitely do that. Why not? So just going to push those down into the liquid. And I'm now going to shut the lid and get that on to slow cook. So I cooked this lovely sausage casserole on high for 6 hours. Let's dish it up. Oh, it looks good, doesn't it? My husband's already had a portion out of here. The nice thing as well with the slow cooker function is that it goes automatically on to keep warm. So that function is ideal when you're coming in late. Maybe people are coming in at different times. Look at this, it's looking absolutely delicious. Lots of sweet potato in there. And this is going to serve 4 people really, really nicely. Couple of sausages each, and of course we have got in there that sweet potato and carrot, and I'm going to add some broccoli on the side. So broccoli on the side. This is a lovely warming comforting dish for under 500 calories.